Yatra. We explore the transformative practice of Sahaja Yoga morning meditation, a powerful technique to awaken your inner Kundalini energy and start your day with divine consciousness. Sahaja Yoga meditation, founded by Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, is a unique method of meditation that begins with self-realization and leads to true meditation. Sahaja means spontaneous or born within, emphasizing that this meditation awakens our innate spiritual potential. Ideally practiced between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. in a clean, quiet space with a meditation altar. Light a candle or diya. Use incense if you wish. Keep a picture of Mother Earth or Sri Mataji, and sit on a white cloth. For the initial setup, sit in any comfortable position. Place both hands on your lap with palms upward, and keep your spine straight but relaxed. For Kundalini awakening, raise your right hand above your head, move it in clockwise circles, and silently request the Kundalini to rise. Next, give yourself a bandhan for protection by moving your right hand from left to right hip 7 times to create an energy shield. Now, close your eyes for the main meditation. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your lap, palm upward. Feel the cool breeze on your palms and head while maintaining thoughtless awareness. For chakra attention, place your attention on each chakra, starting from Muladhara to Sahasrara, and feel the energy flowing. Then recite affirmations such as Mother, I am the Spirit. Mother, I am my own master. And Mother, please give me self-realization. You may also choose to soak your feet in salt water for 10 minutes before meditation to help ground excessive energy and cleanse your subtle system. For clearing techniques, use a candle flame for left side clearing, an ice pack for right side clearing, and meditate with your hands toward Mother Earth. Incorporate morning mantras like Nirmala Vidya, Adi Shakti, and Nirmal Atma. The benefits of regular practice include deep inner peace, improved physical health, enhanced emotional balance, better concentration, spiritual growth, stress reduction, increased self-awareness, better sleep quality, enhanced creativity, and a stronger connection to divine energy. To ensure a successful practice, be regular and consistent. Start with shorter durations, don't force thoughts away, stay gentle with yourself. Keep a meditation diary, and join collective meditation when possible. Remember, Sahaja Yoga meditation is a journey of self-discovery. The key is regular practice with pure desire for spiritual ascent. To know more about the Inner Yatra, visit www.theineryatra.com. Thank you.